Questions and answers. Q1. Where should I clip the screen sensor clip? Place the clip correctly. The metal contacts of the sensor clip touch the front of the screen. LT can work. Place the clip incorrectly. The metal contacts of the sensor clip don't touch the screen. Don't work. The clip cannot be clamped in the opposite direction on the screen. Don't clip this area. It's a menu bar. Q2. What should I do if the screen sensor clip blocks the words? 1. Adjust the position of the sensor clip. 2. Adjust the margins of the Kindle screen. Q3. Do I need to remove the Kindle cover before using the product? If the Kindle end cover thickness exceeds 11.5 mm (0.35 inches), you need to remove the cover before using the page turner. Q4. What devices are not compatible with the product? The following devices are not compatible: Kindle 7 and 8, Amazon Fire HD 10, 10th and 11th generation.